John-Marc, and I'm excited that you're here checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you in 3 easy steps. Today's lesson, I'm going to be taking you not just one, not just two, but 3 different facial expressions. That's right. So all at the same time. So you can go back and forth and choose whichever one you want, or all 3 at the same time. But I thought it'd be kind of fun just to have a variety. Also, you can see the expression of face. Anyway, so if you have your pencil and you have your paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Now, what can you take home from this lesson? Now, this is going to be a fun one. If you got a mirror that you can actually have next to you when you're doing some drawings and everything, make different faces. Happy, scared, sad. Make all little faces, or take a picture with your camera. That would be a fun challenge. Take those pictures and turn them into a cartoon. Your facial expressions, you know, all the fun little silly stuff. That can help you become more dynamic in your characters, so your characters aren't just like, wow. Anyways, so thanks for watching this video and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.